Now I'd like to talk about animating this text. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the word Adobe, and I'm just going to type in the word After Effects again. Selection tool. And by the way, I can always make this smaller or larger by changing the transform properties of the layer itself. And this is good. The easiest way to animate any text layer is by the use of presets. So let's go ahead and browse our presets. To do that, go to the Effects and Presets panel and click on the panel menu. Now choose Browse Presets. This will open Bridge. Bridge, as you may know, is Adobe's browser. Once Bridge opens up, you're going to see that it opened already on the presets for After Effects. The reason for that is because we opened it from within After Effects. All we have to do now is double-click the folder named Text. And let's choose what kind of animation we want for our text. Is it animate in, animate out, blurs, curves and spins, etc., etc. I'm going to go ahead and choose Animate In. And you can click any of these and you're going to see a preview right here in the preview panel. Smooth move in, random shuffle, fade up characters, drop in by character. In fact, I think I'm going to choose drop in characters. So all I have to do to use this is to make sure that my layer is selected in After Effects. I will go back to After Effects. Click on the layer. Make sure that the CTI is at the point in time where you would like for the animation to begin. Go back to Bridge and double-click your preset. That's it. Now we'll do a RAM preview. And there you go. There's a couple of things in here that we need to change. Number one, we may not be happy with the actual animation. Maybe it's too fast or too slow. So go ahead and click on the layer itself and press the letter U. The letter U, as you may remember, is the shortcut to show us any property on the layer that contains keyframes. So by pressing the letter U, we will see any keyframes assigned to this layer. We have keyframes in the range selector. To make this faster, you may know to place the keyframes closer together in time, and then the animation will occur faster. To make it slower, do the opposite. However, there's one more problem, and that is that I still see the bottom of the text right here. In other words, the starting point of the text is not high enough. We can also modify this by using a different shortcut. The shortcut is to press the letter U twice. So UU, and it's going to show us any property on this layer that was changed from its default state. As we see, there is one position property in here which is slightly different than the transform position. This is the one that I need to adjust in the Y. Remember X, Y, so I'll scrub the Y, and now my characters go up a little bit more and my animation is perfect. I'll do another RAM preview. All I need to do is speed it up a little bit more. I can also add more animations to this layer. All I have to do is place the CTI at the point in time where I would like for the animation to start. Make sure that the layer is selected. I recommend always clicking on it. Then go back to Bridge. In Bridge, let's go to Animate Out and let's choose one that we like. For example, we could choose a random fly off. Just double click it. And there you go. Our characters will drop in and randomly fly off. Again, to change the timing, to change any of these properties, press either the letter U to show you the keyframes or the letter U twice, so UU, so that you see any kind of property that was changed from its default value.